Today I'm at Dollar Tree checking out all of their great deals. My coffee's buckled safely in the coffee seat and I'm ready to shop. I came across these decorative balls. I don't know if they're really in style anymore, but I still like them at $1.25 each, and I was thinking that maybe I would display them in my outdoor space. I came over to the party section and I found these crystal clear bowls. I thought that would be cool to maybe display these in. I don't really want to use my fine china or crystal outside because I break things. I'm thinking about taking several of these canvases, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a gallery wall out of them. And here I am, just sitting in the floor at Dollar Tree, but I'm trying to see all of the canvases before I make my final decision. I also found another bird picture. These pictures are only $1.25 each, and so it was really difficult for me to pass that up. I don't know if I'll display them with the other bird pictures, but I'm buying them. In one of the guest rooms, I'm doing a floral theme. I found this beautiful wall decal at Michael's Online Only, and I thought these floral pictures matched it perfectly. I also made a quick stop over to the fake flower section. I know the jury's still out. Either you love fake flowers or you hate them. In my case, I love them because I can't kill them. Real flowers are a different story. My sister-in-law actually caught me pouring iced coffee on my real flowers, but I was thinking caffeine flowers, maybe they would live. Anyways, I digress. I'm doing a really cool basket display over one of my doorways. I got the idea on Pinterest, but I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on baskets. Dollar Tree is a great place to start. And here's a good example of looking everywhere in Dollar Tree, not just in certain areas. These baskets were in the non-basket section and they are perfect for my wall. On my final walkthrough, I mean it this time, I found these birds. I thought these would be fun to display with all of my other bird decor. Now it's time to hide all of this stuff from my husband. I meant store and put it away so it's out of the way. All of my new merchandise that I bought for the new house. I can't wait for you guys to come along with me as we build this house and learn how to homestead. Thank you so much for tuning into Angel's Green Acres. Don't forget to like and subscribe.